Have you ever wondered how your muscles help you lift, run, or even smile? What's actually happening inside your body when you move? In this video, we're breaking down the fascinating science of muscle contraction and relaxation, so stick around to find out. Everything starts with a message from your brain. When you decide to move, your brain sends an electrical signal through motor neurons. This signal reaches your muscle, triggering the release of calcium ions from a storage unit inside the muscle called the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Inside every muscle fiber, two special proteins, actin and myosin, work together like a team. When calcium is released, myosin, which has tiny heads, grabs onto actin and pulls it inward. This process, called the sliding filament theory, shortens the muscle, creating contraction. Think of myosin like a rower pulling on oars to move a boat forward. With each pull, your muscle contracts a little more. But contraction alone isn't enough. To relax, your muscles need ATP, your body's energy currency. ATP helps myosin detach from actin, allowing the muscle to return to its normal state. No ATP, no relaxation. That's why muscle cramps can happen when you're dehydrated or low on energy. As calcium gets reabsorbed and ATP does its job, your muscle lengthens back to its relaxed state, ready for the next movement. Your muscles go through this cycle thousands of times a day, whether you're running, typing, or even just blinking. So let's recap. Brain sends signals, muscles get activated, calcium is released, myosin pulls on actin, muscle contracts, movement happens, ATP helps myosin relax, muscle returns to rest. Now you know the secret behind every movement you make. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing science videos. And let me know in the comments, what topic should I cover next?